Oh my god.
My god. Please never do that again. Asus, if you're watching this, please take that song away. Don't ever... No songs, please. That was terrible. Thank you. We got a mail-in. So this beautiful phone is from Vancouver, and it's the Zenfone 6. These are the phones that have the camera that flip back up. I'll show you guys in just 1 second. It's in all its original packaging, which is really cool. There it is. This is the Zenfone 6. So this camera doubles as a selfie camera. When you're taking a selfie, it comes up and flips over. Pretty cool. Anyway, the charging port on this is apparently not working. So we're gonna try out the charging port and see if it works. Nope, nothing. Flip it over, also nothing. Oh, it charged for 1 second. So the charging port's obviously pretty wonky, but if we look inside, it doesn't really look dirty. So it definitely just needs a new charging port, and I'm not even gonna lie to you guys, I did pre-cook this, so the back glass is already practically coming off. The reason I did that is because it's already cracked a little bit here, and you can't really find a replacement glass for this phone really easily, so I want to do it off camera so that it's easier for me. So we're gonna turn this phone off and we're gonna open it from the back. I still might have to apply a little bit of heat because the glue tends to stick back. So the fingerprint is attached and won't come off from here, so we have to take it off the actual board. So we're gonna get our screwdriver and we're gonna unscrew. So now we can remove the back plate, and we want to be careful because the fingerprint scanner is still going in between it, and we're just gonna disconnect the battery. There we go. Now we can disconnect the fingerprint scanner and we can just remove this back glass. The screw tried to escape. Now we're all ready to see what's going on with the charging port. We don't really have any business up here.
You got no business being out here.
Yes, sir. I don't.
So we're gonna unscrew. I'm starting to think all Androids are just built the same. They all have the same exact layout with like very minor differences. There we go. Now let's remove this. Oh, something stuck. Of course it's magnetic because there's a speaker, so you want to keep it away from your screws. Okay, so simple enough. We have to remove these antenna wires and disconnect this. So we're just gonna disconnect that. And we need a spudger, preferably one that's not been abused. Or we'll get some tweezers, get them under, and disconnect that antenna wire, disconnect that antenna wire, and we have a screw. Now we can just pull up on the subboard and it comes right off. And this is the faulty C port. We don't need that anymore. We'll take our new subboard and we'll place it in very carefully. There we go. Make sure it's sitting properly. That looks good. Now we'll take that screw that we unscrewed and we'll put it back right over here. And we're gonna wanna reconnect these annoying antenna wires. Hopefully they give me mercy. Sometimes they take a long time. Very hard to align them. Reconnect it to the main board and let's get those antenna wires connected.
Fight.
Okay, I did it off camera. That took a long time. Next time, be nice, participate. I'm trying to make a video. Everything has to be perfect for the video. Okay, now we'll put in the bottom piece and we're just gonna screw everything back in. Now we're gonna reinstall the battery and we're gonna get our charger and we're gonna plug it in. Beautiful. You have to close it up now. So I'm doing the setup, but it asked me if I want to flip the camera and I can't say no. The blue button is just calling, so. Wow, beautiful. Take my money. That's dope. That's really cool. Good job, Asus. I mean, Phone didn't become too popular, but I'm sure you guys got some good sales from this. It's time to open up the test menu and see what exactly is working on this. I forgot the test menu numbers. I'll be back. So it's star number sign 0011 star number sign star 0 number sign 0. So the test menu is actually in the calculator app, which is cool, I guess, kind of extra, but hey, good job, Asus. Very cool. Secret service menu equals. And now we can just test all. So I'm just gonna go through all the tests, make sure everything works. Obviously the fingerprint is gonna say but everything else should work. So we're gonna go through this and then we'll be right back. Oh my god. Shh. Oh my god. Please never do that again. They really made that song and they thought this would be a hit. This is our song. Please never do that again. Thank you. Okay, so we finished the test. Everything is good. Everything's working fine. Now we got to turn off the device. Also, Asus, if you're watching this, please take that song away. Don't ever, no songs, please. That was terrible. Thank you. First thing we actually have to do is we're gonna take this out because you're annoying. We have to add new adhesive. So I'm just gonna skip this part because it's really boring and you guys won't want to watch it. The adhesive's ready to go. It's time to close this up. It's actually the next day. I ended up going home because I was tired, but we're back now and we're gonna finish this repair. Clamp this down. So now we're all done. We're gonna send this back and pray that it arrives. Goodbye. So we're all done. The phone is charging now perfectly and our job is done here. We have nothing else to do because we did it all and we saved the phone. Phone has been saved. So that's all. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.